Hi guys, and welcome to a new cleaning video. In this video we are going to be cleaning and prepping the house ready for the Christmas decor to come out, and let me tell you, I cannot wait. I'm just so excited to get really festive, but before I start I feel like I need to start the season on a fresh clean slate. And when my house is untidy and messy, I feel like my brain just can't function. So once it is tidy, I am going to go full Christmas mode. So in this video we are going to be resetting the house, lots of tidying and cleaning. So if you are looking to give your house a good spruce up for Christmas, then I hope this provides you some cleaning motivation. So first up, we are going to fill up the cleaning caddy with the products I'm going to use today. I have been collecting a few festive cleaning scents and it just brings me so much joy to use them. First up, we have the Flash Frosted Berries from the Mrs. Hinch range. I actually haven't used this one yet as I started using the other ones in this video, but I am excited to try it out and I do love the pink packaging. Then also the Lenore Frosted Rose Wonderland, which is also a Mrs. Hinch product. We have a Christmas Minky. I absolutely love it. Look at the Christmas design on it with the Christmas trees and the skis. So cute. So Flora cleaning wipes in the scent Winter Spice. We have this polar bear, I'm guessing he's a polar bear, bear-shaped Scrub Daddy from Scrub Daddy. Well, it could be a Scrub Mummy. I forget the difference between the two. Is it a Scrub Mummy if it's got a soft underside? Can't quite remember, but absolutely love him. This So Flora scent was a new one I spotted, a seasonal scent, cranberry and orange, and my God, it smells amazing. My favourite cleaning product out of all of this lot. I just absolutely love the scent. Then we have a couple of the Cif cleaning products. So this is the Anti-Bac Multi-Purpose Spray in the fragrance Winter Indulgent. I'm not gonna lie, I do love the Cif products, but I can never tell a difference with their scent. It always smells just that Cif smell to me. We also have the Cream Cleaner, which again is a favourite of mine, but it does just smell the same as all of the other Cif cream products in my opinion. So that is the products I'm going to be using today, and there's nothing like new cleaning products to really boost your motivation to get cleaning. So let's pack up our caddy. I also quickly need to just restock some of our washing products. This is a stain remover washing powder. I could do with some more really, and the jar actually needs a clean. Both the jars need a clean, but that's a job for another day, and then we can get started on this clean. And I am starting off in the kitchen. First job of the day is to empty out the dishwasher and then refill it. We have a load of stuff on the cooker here which all needs to go into the dishwasher. Then I'm going to have a general tidy around the kitchen, put items away. I have shopping bags and items that have just been dumped, so let's get them gone. I'm then wiping down the cooker, which really needed a good wipe down, and it needs a full deep clean. It really does. I swear I said this in my last cleaning video and it still hasn't been cleaned since then, so that is not good. It really does need a good clean, so maybe that's a job for another date, definitely before Christmas. And then I'm just going to wipe down all of the sides in the kitchen. Moving on to the other side of the room, I'm going to clear everything that is just left and dumped here on our dining table. Going to give the table a spray and a wipe down, and that black balloon, I'd already put it out in the utility room to get rid of it, and it just kept rolling back into the room and getting in my way. Noticed some pencil marks on our cupboards over here, which I have my darling children to thank for, so I gave these all a wipe down. I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but we have some candles hanging down from the ceiling here. They are from Halloween. We had these lovely hanging candles from Amazon, and I've kept them up because I thought they were quite Christmassy as well, and Harry Potter, we're watching all the Harry Potters at the moment, so yeah, we've kept them up for the time being. Gave this side of the room a hoover and a mop, and then this was all of the filth that was on the bottom of my mop, and then I moved on to cleaning the sink, which I am using the Cif cream cleaner and the teddy bear, polar bear, I swear it was a Christmas one, so I'm guessing it's a polar bear scrub daddy, which is just my favourite combo for cleaning the sink. Finish this side up with a hoover and a mop as well, and also lighting my candles. I'm still working my way through my autumn candles because I didn't want to put them up in the attic for next year, so I'm burning my way through them before we move on to the Christmas ones, which again I am so excited for. But for the time being, we have this whipped s'more scents, and then that is the kitchen done for today. Now we're moving on to Navy and Bodhi's room. It's not too bad in here, it just needs a bit of a pick-me-up and a tidy, and then I'm just going to dust everything down and hoover. So this is our starting point here. I'm going to put away everything that needs to be put away and make their beds. After I finished tidying their room and gave it a hoover, I did have a bit of clean washing which needed to be put away, so I am just going to fold that up and get that all put away. Navy and Bodhi's room all put together and nice and tidy now, ready for Christmas. I'm not sure what Christmas decorations I'm going to put up in their room yet, but maybe we'll get around to some. And then I moved on to their living room. So these are all of the toys that were out in our living room. They had lots of toys out, so I needed to get them all away. We have this new mirror here which I need to unbox and put out ready. I put on the fire because I wanted to make it nice and cozy whilst we're cleaning in the room, and also the lamp and a candle because because why not? The fire also needed a good dust down and wipe down, but we get onto that later on in the video. So I'm going to get this room put back straight, put everything away. There's another black balloon in here which has made its way in here. These are all balloons left over from Halloween that I haven't quite got rid of yet because the kids have loved them. If you can spy with your little eye a box in the corner there, that is our new Christmas tree. So it came the other day. I haven't unboxed it or had a look at it yet, but I'm really excited. I'm excited to have a new Christmas tree this year, and yeah, it's going to be exciting to get it out. Giving our unit a dust down and a wipe down now. As you can see, there are a few marks here and there where it's just had its day, really. We've had this for years and years and years. We bought this for our last house, and it's only IKEA, so I can't wait to swap it out for something new next year, hopefully. Then on to clearing the toys away. What I'm doing is I'm just bundling them all together, and I'm going to dump them in the playroom because that, as you'll see later on in the video, is a huge mess, and it really needs a good sort out. Everything needs a good organising there, so I'm just going to bring everything into there because when I get onto that room I will sort through all of the toys and put everything back to its rightful place, and then I am going to just give under the sofa and a chair a good hoover as well. Get rid of any bits that may have gone for walkabouts underneath here. As you can see behind this sofa, I was actually storing one of the kids' Christmas present. They've probably already seen it, but it's for Navy and Bodhi, so they ain't gonna remember. It's this kind of climber frame that I got on the Audi toy event. So I just put that upstairs to hide away with the rest of the gifts. And then again, just gonna give a skirt and border wipe down and a hoover behind this sofa. And then that is the living room all done, and there are still a few things I would like to change in this living room. I would like to change the unit, as I mentioned, and then hopefully get some new sofas at some point. But I am going to now unbox our new mirror from William Wood, and I can't wait, but it was heavy. My god, it was really hard to move around on my own. Aid was around in the background to help when I needed it. I first put it up against this corner in the living room, but then I decided against that, and Aid did have to help me move it because, like I said, it was really heavy. And this is our mirror. I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous and it is massive. I normally put my Christmas tree in this corner, so I'm not sure if I'm going to move it to the bay this time because of the mirror. We'll have to have a play around and see. But anyway, let's move on to this playroom because would you look at that? It needs a good clean. It's been one of those weeks where I've just lobbed toys in there and just shut the door on it at the end of the day and not tidied it, and the kids have obviously been playing in there. They play in here every day. I mean, I tidy it up most days and it does just get like this straight away again. So let's get organising. This playroom does need a good declutter, I think, before Christmas. So my plan today was just to tidy it and just get it back to a usable state again. But I will need to go through the toys, declutter, see what the kids don't need anymore. There is a toy kitchen in between these two storage units, and I have actually bought them the new wooden toy kitchen from Audi. So I'm going to be getting rid of that kitchen there. So what my plan is to perhaps get rid of that, move the two units together, and I'm planning to put another Christmas tree in this room here, our candy cane Christmas tree that we do for them in the playroom. So that will give us a nice big corner space to put the tree there. Then once Christmas is done and dusted, I really want to revise this playroom a little bit, give it a bit of a mini makeover. Nothing too crazy, but just just get it looking really cute again and a nice area for the kids to play. We're also thinking of maybe getting the kids one of those play sofas in here so that they can chill and watch TV, especially the older ones now. They don't play with the toys as much, but then it's still a very good usable place for the little ones to play with toys because they do love coming in here and playing with all of the toys. But yeah, make a bit of room in here for the kids. Tidy up the shelves in the background because they are some beautiful shelves, but they just get full of random bits and bobs, so maybe some nice storage for there, and we will just see. As you can see, there's also some milk chilling on the store there because Bodhi brought in the milk for me because he wanted me to get him some milk. And then this is what it's like cleaning. When you have young ones, you tidy things away and then they just want to get it all back out again, which is what is happening here. The little ones came in and decided that they wanted to get things out and have a play. So I thought I'm just going to leave them to it, let them play for a little bit, and I am going to put this washing away, or put it hang it up to dry, I should say, whilst they were playing. And then after they'd finished, I got straight back into the room again. Then once I had cleaned the playroom, I decided to go through this storage basket here. It's actually a washing basket from IKEA. I think it was quite nice and cheap, but it stores all of our Peppa Pig toys. So I just wanted to make sure that all of the right toys were in this storage basket. But yeah, it does the job really, really well. And then we are finished with our cleaning for the day. So I'm really happy now and I feel so ready to get out the Christmas deck. So I really hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'll hopefully see you in a video again soon. Bye guys.